Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of kidney health and natural detoxification. Our kidneys play a vital role in filtering out waste and toxins from our bodies. And incorporating certain foods into our diets can support their function. Let's explore 10 foods that naturally detox and cleanse your kidneys. First, leafy greens. Spinach and kale are packed with essential vitamins, notably vitamin C, which significantly contributes to bolstering kidney health. Vitamin C plays a crucial role in boosting immune function and reducing the risk of kidney stone formation. Specifically, its ability to increase citrate levels in the urine helps hinder the formation of kidney stones, making leafy greens a valuable addition to kidney-conscious diets. Cranberries. These berries are renowned for their remarkable antioxidant and antibacterial properties, making them exceptional for kidney health. Their active role in preventing UTIs is notable. They work by preventing bacteria from adhering to the urinary tract walls. This not only reduces the incidence of UTIs but also supports overall urinary health, potentially lowering the risk of various kidney-related issues, making cranberries a valuable addition to kidney-conscious diets. Apples. Apples offer significant benefits for kidney health due to their rich content of dietary fiber and anti-inflammatory compounds. The fiber aids in digestion, facilitating the efficient removal of waste products from the body. Meanwhile, the presence of anti-inflammatory compounds holds promise in potentially reducing inflammation, a factor that greatly benefits kidney function and overall renal health. Cabbage. Cabbage is a cruciferous vegetable rich in phytochemicals, which are bioactive compounds found in plants. These phytochemicals play a vital role in aiding detoxification processes within the body. They actively assist in the elimination of toxins and waste materials, contributing to overall detoxification. Additionally, cabbage contains substances such as glucosinolates and sulfur compounds that support kidney health. These components potentially aid in renal function by promoting urinary health and assisting in the elimination of waste products from the body. Garlic. Renowned for its antimicrobial properties, garlic is an impressive supporter of kidney health. Its potent ability to combat bacteria and infections makes it particularly effective in preventing kidney infections and maintaining overall urinary tract health. By inhibiting the growth of harmful microorganisms, garlic contributes significantly to preventing urinary tract-related issues, benefiting kidney function. Ginger. Ginger is recognized for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties, making it a valuable supporter of kidney health. By mitigating inflammation specifically within the kidneys, ginger plays a pivotal role in enhancing overall renal health. Its ability to reduce inflammation within the kidneys can potentially alleviate various conditions affecting renal function, emphasizing its importance in kidney-conscious diets. Turmeric. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, possesses robust anti-inflammatory properties crucial for kidney health. Its remarkable role in reducing inflammation within the kidneys can significantly benefit overall renal function. Turmeric's curcumin content holds promise in managing inflammation-related kidney issues, making it a valuable addition to diets aimed at supporting kidney health. Lemon. Lemons are rich in citrate, a vital component for kidney stone prevention. The increased levels of citrate in urine play a crucial role in inhibiting the formation of specific types of kidney stones. By reducing the concentration of calcium in the urine, this inhibition prevents the aggregation of certain minerals that form kidney stones, making lemons an essential dietary component for kidney stone prevention. Watermelon. High in water content, watermelon functions as a natural diuretic due to its hydrating properties. Its diuretic effect helps in detoxification by increasing urine output, thereby facilitating the removal of toxins and waste materials from the body. Adequate hydration through watermelon consumption supports kidney function by aiding in the elimination of waste products, contributing to overall kidney health. Beets. Beets are packed with antioxidants, such as betalains and vitamin C, which combat oxidative stress within the body. These antioxidants play a crucial role in reducing inflammation and supporting overall liver and kidney health. By mitigating oxidative stress, beets contribute to lowering inflammation, thus benefiting renal function. Moreover, betaine, a compound found in beets, contributes to reducing inflammation and potentially offers benefits for overall renal function. So there you have it, 10 fantastic foods that can naturally detox and cleanse your kidneys. Your kidneys work tirelessly day in and day out. So taking care of them is crucial for a healthy life. If you have any other kidney-friendly foods you love, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Thank you for watching. And we will see you in the next video.